Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping the winter 2025 fashion trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go. First trend we're seeing is 60s modern, so like Jackie O, Chanel. This dress is from Free Assembly. It has that scoop neckline, relaxed sleeve, the drop tier in this tweed print, so it looks like a post, has the zipper in the back, in the navy and white, also in the black, and they're $34. Free Assembly sweaters, so these have that boat neckline, the little button detail, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, has the ribbed bottom, in that navy and white stripe, also in the white with the light blue stripe, and they are going to be $26. To go with the dresses, they have these jackets from Free Assembly. These have that tweed fringe detailing, gold buttons, 2 flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside with this really soft fabric, and the same fit through the back. They are going to be $38. It comes in the navy and white plaid, and then also the solid white. Also from Free Assembly in that similar like 60s, especially with the Fair Isle, has the gold buttons, that side seam detailing, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, in the green, also comes in the gray, and these are $24. I love these dresses from Free Assembly. I feel like they're like 50s, 60s housewife. They have the ruffled collar button, elastic to the waist, the belt, that drop tier in the solid black. I shared it in this green plaid, and they're $34. I think this drop tier dress from Scoop is very like 60s mod. Has the tapestry kind of material, the band around the neck, sleeveless, flowy with the drop tier ties in the back, and these are $34. Also very 60s mod is this baby doll dress, so it's smocked, long sleeve, flowy through the body. Like all you need to do is add knee boots, in the burgundy, also comes in black. They're from Celebrity Pink, and they're $27. Bell sleeve sweater dress, I think fits the 60s mod. Has this scoop neck, rib, the little bell sleeve, it's fitted through the body, has the slit, and then the same fit through the back. $34 in the green, also comes in black. Wide leg pants from Free Assembly. I feel like these are right from the 60s. They have the high rise, side pocket, belt, nice and flowy through the front, and then the trouser style pockets in the back, and these are $29. Sneak peek top from Scoop, so this is very 60s. It has that floral embellishment, the smaller collar, Henley buttons fitted through the wrists, has the same fit through the back, and they are $26. I think this skirt from Scoop goes with the 60s mod, so it has the side zip, it's a nice shorter length, has that wrap style look, but not too short with elastic through the back, and this one is $24. I think these tiered corduroy dresses also fit the 60s mod, so this has that plunging V, a little bit of a drop sleeve, elastic tiers, nice and flowy through the front and the back, in the black corduroy, also comes in the brown, and they're $19.99. Shared that the utility style is still on trend. It's coming back for 2025. This jumpsuit's from Lade, has the smaller collar, full button, side pocket with the elastic going through the back. This one's a straight leg, has pockets on the back, in the green, also comes in gray, and they're $36. New cargo denim from Sofia Vergara. These are high rise. They have the flat pocket, the whiskering, relaxed through the leg. It's the relaxed straight with trouser style pockets in the back, and these are $24. New cargo style pants from Levi's. These are a high rise. It's a loose straight with the side cargo pocket, same fit through the back in the light blue, also comes in the green, and they are $26.98. These jackets from Lee are very like workwear to me, with the 2 front pockets, drop sleeve. They have the relaxed vest. These are really nice length. Someone said something about the Lee. I think you could easily take this off with the seam ripper. Comes in the black. They also have mauve and ivory, and they're $26.98. And then they also have them pants to match. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, seam detail. They're very wide leg with the little patch on the back, in all of those same colors, and they're $24.98. Also cargo wide legs from No Boundaries. These are high rise. They have the side pocket, flat pockets in the back in this camel color, and these are, they're like a gray tone really, $17.98. Barn style coats definitely fit the workwear look. This is from Time and True, has the smaller collar, full button, relaxed to the wrist, the 2 flat pockets. I shared this in the inspired video. I think this is very similar to the Burberry barn coat, and the camo also comes in green and black, and they're $29.98. We also have these new jackets in the men's section, so they're very workwear in the Wrangler brand. Has the mid-size collar, button on the wrist, the 2 flat pockets, and this camo also comes in a denim. There's a khaki and green, and they're going to be $24.98. This hoodie from No Boundaries has that wrap style front. Inside it's a soft fleece material. It's a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom with the kangaroo pocket. Comes in this new green camo. There's a gray, a lighter gray, and then this watercolor, and they're $18.98. Boho is the next trend we're seeing. These are from Jessica Simpson. They have that V neckline, the oversized tortoise buttons, drop sleeve. That fringe detail gives it that boho look with the ribbed wrist. That seam kind of fit through the back. In the purple also comes in the ivory, and these are $40, but they come in sizes extra small to plus. New boho dresses from Jessica Simpson. This one has that V neckline, balloon sleeve, has the tier under the bust. It's flowy maxi length in the black floral, and they are going to be $39. His coupe dress is very boho to me. It has that V neckline, long sleeve, elastic, nice and flowy in the black floral. Also comes in the solid black, and they're $40. Boho style floral blouses from Time and True. I styled this in a Yellowstone kind of outfit idea in the black. So it has this smocking at the top, has the side seam, elastic on the wrist, flowy scoops in the middle. In the blue floral, also comes in the black, and they're $14.98. I also used this cardigan for a Yellowstone outfit idea. So this has the rounded collar, the 2 front pockets, ribbed wrists with the ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back, and they're $18.98. I think these little crochet faux fur vests are also very boho. So they have this like plush front with the knit back. I really love this one, and they are $32. Next trend we're seeing are metallics. This is a bodysuit from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the wrap style front with the little snap button, has the fuller front, and then thong style back. This one also comes in black online, and it's $22. Also in the metallic, these are from Terra Sky in the plus section. These have the mid-size collar, side zip, drop sleeve with the zipper on the wrist. Same kind of fit through the back with the seam detailing, and these are $40. Also in the metallic is this little tank from No Boundaries. It has the elastic strap, seam detailing under the bust. This one's a relaxed fit through the body. I shared it in my last haul. In the silver, also comes in burgundy and black, and they're $10.98. Lots of metallic pieces. Jumpsuit strapless from No Boundaries. Has the seam detailing in the waist, also comes with the belt. Flare pants in the silver, also comes in black with the silver, and they're $18.98. And then this jumpsuit's from MADDEN NYC. Ties around the neck, has that wrap style front, band under the bust, fitted, and then has the flared style, which is also on trend. Open in the back in those same colors, the silver and the black, and they're $18. Lots of faux fur for winter. These coats are from No Boundaries. They have that oversized collar, lined drop sleeve, relaxed to the wrist. These are still fully stocked on sale, and $20 in the beige, and then also in the black. Also from No Boundaries are these faux fur coats. This has a nice size collar, zip, lined on the inside, drop sleeve, elastic, in the ivory, black, and leopard, and they're $19.98. And then also in the faux fur is this little jacket from No Boundaries. It has the hook and eye closure, lined drop sleeve, relaxed to the wrist, shorter fit, in the ivory, also in the black, and it's $19.98. Also fur faux coat from MADDEN NYC. This has this smaller collar lapel, Lined on the inside, has the 2 snap buttons. Look how plush that is. It's relaxed through the wrist, really nice length. And these are $30. And then also with the faux fur trim are these cardigans from Madden NYC. They have that oversized collar. It is removable. Little tie, nice longer length, has the cuffs that are removable in the black, also in the white, and they're $22. Faux fur vest from Madden NYC. These have that mock neck, sleeveless, shorter through the front, completely lined in the black. I'm pretty sure we also saw this in white, and they're $24. Leopard is also still on trend for 2025. There's a little shorter fit sweater from No Boundaries. It has that crew neck line, the ribbed wrist, shorter through the front and the back. This one also comes in the pink with the bow, the blue with the snowflake, the red with the snow angel, and black with Paris, and they're $14.98. Love these faux fur coats in the leopard from Sophia that has a nice oversized collar. It's a zip, really nice details with the side pocket, relaxed through the wrist, same fit through the back. It has like chevron quilting, and they are going to be $49. These are in the leopard. They're on sale in store and then also online. They're off the shoulder from Madden NYC. Has that shorter skirt. Comes in solid leopard, also in this ombre. They're $9 in my store. I think that's how much the sets are online as well. New Barefoot Dreams dupes from JOYSPUN. These have a crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, little slits on the side, and then the same fit through the back in the brown leopard. Also comes in the black. They have the solid chocolate brown and ivory, and the tops are going to be $14.98. And then to match, they have a wide leg pant. These are high rise, side pocket, drawstring, same kind of fit through the back in the ivory, the leopard, black and brown, and they're also $14.98. I don't know what color to get. These are really good. Look at the inside. Open front chenille cardigans from Time and True. So they have that ribbed neckline. It's open through the front with the 2 pockets. Ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. These remind me so much of Barefoot Dreams with that same kind of oversized fit through the back. So far they have the beige leopard, like a light tan, and then also the burgundy. And they are going to be $18.98. New print and color in the slip-on sneakers from No Boundaries. So I'm pretty sure these are online only. They have the round toe, that canvas material. They are, I think they're $15. We're also still seeing embellishments on trend for winter 2024. These are from Scoop High Rise. These are the straight crop. I'm pretty sure they're sold out online. They have a couple sizes left, and they're $29. Also these embellished sweaters from Scoop. They have that mock neckline, this side, little crystal detailing, nice length in the black. Also comes in white, and they're $22. Embellished dresses from Scoop. These have that squared neckline, fitted, nice and flowy. I saw someone style this with a white button down underneath on Facebook. These are $32. Also embellished are these jeans from Madden NYC. These are high rise. They have the flat pockets, that cargo pocket through the bottom, elastic through the back, in the black, also in the acid wash, and these are $25. Also in the metallics are these corset style tops from No Boundaries. They have the thin strap, that seam detail in the black. Also comes in, I think we saw it in red in the other store, and they're $12.98. To match, they have the metallic sequin flared pants. These have an elastic waistband, fitted, perfect flare, same fit through the back, and they're going to be $11.98. New sequin dress from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline. It's sleeveless, midi length, and then it zips in the back. They're completely lined, and they're $34. I also saw this one comes in red and like a gold online. Embellished dress from No Boundaries. These are strapless. They have the sticky, the little bow, side zip, nice and stretchy. It's a smaller fit, and it comes with the straps, and these are going to be $18.98, and it also comes in red. Longer skirts are also on trend for winter 2025. These have an elastic waistband, a flat front, flowy through the front and the back. In the black, also comes in the green, and they're $26. New tulle skirt from Scoop. So this one has the elastic waist, the dropped here, nice and flowy. How adorable is this? Same kind of fit through the back. New corduroy skirts from Time and True. So these have the button, zip, belt loop, side pocket, seam detailing through the front. It's about a midi length, so a little past the knee, with trouser style pockets on the back. In the black, also comes in the camo, and they're $17.98. Oops, so these have the side zip. It has the band at the top. It has all the sequins, and then the same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the green, also in the black, and they are going to be $28. New slip skirts from No Boundaries. So these have this really pretty little scallop elastic trim at the top. It has a leopard velvet kind of texture, midi length, same fit through the back, and they're only $11.98. We're seeing less of it, but leather is still on trend for 2025. These pants are from Time and True. I picked these up. I really love them. They're very comfortable. They have that high-rise button zipper, pockets straight through the leg, and then pockets on the back, and they're $21.98. New faux leather coat from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar zip front, 2 flat pockets, a little button detail on the shoulder, and then the button on the wrist. The seam fit through the back with the seam detailing, and this one is $38. New mini skirt from No Boundaries. So this is a faux leather material. Zip front, has the flat pockets with the side pocket, no pockets in the back. These are stretch material. That's what it looks like. So like a coated denim, and they're $11.98. This faux leather belted shacket. It's from Time and True. It has that mid-size collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, relaxed to the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside. Also comes with the belt. This is super buttery soft faux leather material, and then it has the seam detail in the back. Comes in the brown, also in the black. They're going to be at $34.98. Also colored leather, faux leather. These are from Madden NYC. They're high-rise pockets, has the cargo pocket, straight through the leg, pockets on the back. In the gold, also in the rose gold, and these are $23. Capes and ponchos are another trend we're seeing for winter. These are from Time and True. It's open front, a little bit of a boho look with the fringe. In the white, also comes in purple and black, and they're $22.97. Also in the cape style, this one from Time and True. It has the faux leather trim in the black and gray. Also comes in the brown, and I think these are $29.99. Also from Time and True, these capes with the buckle detail. They have the fringe in the black and gray plaid. Also comes in that teal, and they're $29.98. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.